was a for na ye church will be a sound so Emma for 84 out of 4 Ghana for you will be a aquaba at the Eba TV as your most inspirational YouTube channel. And I say, we say we inspire you more. It was a for someone say my better hot seat yiswa na abrametina and framamu edi amami ankasa kasami mami ekuya ejua ono no ye the major host of this program. And what in the nchika client me and ametina and framamu edi amon ebra mede ensema ekwokoso e wo man Ghana mamede eba beso mesra wo say Bonyan subscribe ya hobrase kwanso subscribe kama emfa ema afei ye monra enensem na ye wo edi emam ebusha form na ye share ensem na se na ye di amamode na ye tense from last week edi eba this week nyina and say what follow your channel no so and I say but what follow social media ye pa na ye tense story be a trendy edi afa Ghana ni ba bia ni din edi afiba ono ene ne nyonko bia o ye Nigeria ni a em say ya kidnap you omo ebinim so ye hu omo ebinim say ya kidnap omo ebinim say ye hu omo ebinim say ye hu omo in fact that story ya trend over the week nya sam ketwa na say me more background story kakra na say meeting kakra na say wa wunya story ni binti me more history kakra edi afa sa story ho ninya ni say Ghana ni ababa wa bia ni din di afiba no fe kopie mu ewo Dubai me mu okodi ne nkwe anaso okodi ne nyuma ewo ho na wokọ no anokoshi okọ no koshia Nigeria ni bi no one na efa adamfo omo ye ma mienu omo ka omo tuma bo manya asem keto na bebi obi hu omo bia na enkrofo mienu wo mo ana wo mo nam na dakro de em say ababa wa ye Nigeria ni enya ne kanchima bia ye friend Mr. Andrew na onya kanchima na ewo Nigeria na kanchima to nsa friend say ombra na ombe ye de omesra no ewo Nigeria se na bia omo continue omo relationship no so na em say kam ya say nam abefu ntintan kesi su ana em say sa Nigeria girl yi ehia sa Mr. Andrew yi na ebra wo kwa akoko meeting Mr. Andrew Nigeria no say me nyonko Ghana ni em say bebia me no na continue kona ko jame kona ko jame na em say me nkona me ko hu madam for na say me kanchima fufura me meeting Mr. Andrew em say ehwehwemu a ebede ne say afiba ene ne nyonko Nigeria ni girl yi ye hu mu biom kam ya say ya kidnap omo enesa sa Mr. Andrew ehwehwemu ama ye hu no say juma wodi ya no onam abe fontentan case no juma wodi ya ne say onya ema no mo social media so omo ni briska na omo pe omo ye serious omo ye serious omo pe relationship papa bi mu akono na wadada omo bra na be me midi me birthday me ye party bi unya kope no ma ne boys kidnap na che say what I say na ebra sa se me beto dwa nipa bi ne mu gidi nipa bi ne mu so nyindi ebi ne mu say Mr. Andrew enye sa no what ebi ne mu say o ye good man ebi ne mu say o ye sa na nei asemfo fransan so epie mo sa se me mu ene say ababa we bi so aba social media so na wono de aba be kire mu ama ye hunu say Mr. Andrew amanfo ka say onye nipa boneni oye nipa papa nyina no onu si ni pain se Mr. Andrew oye nipa boneni esane se Mr. Andrew enam kweti kwa so ema ne boys kidnap no na ono de nyankopon na di ni ho afofia enei oda so etiase na what si ni pain ama ye hunu se Mr. Andrew onam hoi oye nipa boneni papa na juma wodi ne o kidnap emabaawa na wotwetwa wo mo honam watonton ni body part e de ama wo mo yesikaduro ni in fact ababo ya kasapa yenko tie ensema ababo de tuja ebla one of the top Nigerian blogger education kom yenko tie na yamra.
All right. So we know we are talking to a real person.
Okay, Mr. Ben, I have some few questions for you because Andrew Elio said it was 6 days, and during that period, he was recording everything. I was sending to one person. Are you the person he was sending everything? So I want to know because
no.
That period, like he was recording everything. I was sending to one particular person. I don't know who that person is. Are you the person he was sending everything to?
No.
And okay. And the day he wanted to buy me, let me use the word. The day he wanted to buy me, he told me some few things. He was like, he's going to remove my ORGAN. He said he's going to remove my ORGAN. Then he will behead me. It will
remove your head.
Yes, and my so people will think he used me for RITUAL. So that
when you do that, people will think he used you for that.
Yes, you said he's not into that stuff, but he told me he wanted because he brought out two NIVE. He brought out another sharp object with a wrapped nylon. And he told me what he said. He said he wanted to remove my LIVR and my KIDNEY. So why you did not defend him that he's not into that stuff? Why?
No, which stuff are you talking about?
Harvesting. She's talking about harvesting. I don't want us to talk too much on it.
I don't have a clue about that one.
Then you just be defending him. You know what you shouldn't.
Eh?
You shouldn't.
I don't know. He don't do that. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not gonna come here and start telling you what I don't know.
All right.
What I don't know.
Okay.
And secondly, you have my video. Like you have my.
Can you? Hello. Yes. That is Prince. Yes. Mr. Ben. There's a video you have in your phone. This is the girl. You have that video in your phone.
You have my video. And that's the video
you have this girl's
to my
video.
Boyfriend. How come Andrew sent that video to you? Tell me.
I can send that video to you. You have that video.
Video. Hold on. Is it what's your name?
My name is Rachel.
You are the Rachel. Do you know a girl called Amaka?
It was when I posted Andrew.
Amaka reached out to you.
Yes, you reached out to me. I was like, this same person invited me. I was the one that saved Amaka. It was when I posted, the friends were sharing the pictures. When my new happened, I chatted some few bloggers. I chatted Very Dark Man. I chatted this blogger with some other blogs. They did not respond to me. I was not looking out for myself. I was just trying to save others, but everyone ignored me. I was just fighting this battle alone, just me and my God.
That video, okay, Harrison, that video I showed to Adotun. Is that the video? That is the video. That is the young lady there.
That video. Andrew
sent that video on the. When did they travel to Abuja? When they were
on 23rd.
Sorry, let me cut you short. I'm not sure he sent that video that day because Andrew sent a message to my mom. Andrew sent when I was posting video. Someone was giving information from my contacts, and
that was the day he sent the video with a verifiable photo.
I am not sure that they sent that video because Andrew threatened me that he has a blogger friend. I'm just saying this now. I'm not scared of anybody again. He said he's going to disgrace me and my family. Meaning Andrew sent so many things about me, even when he was forcing me before my God did my this thing came out. He was recording everything. I was sending to one person, and I believe that person is you. You are the person he was sending all those things to. And why is he sending those videos to you? Why?
I can understand your frustration. That's the question you should be asking, because he sent that video. He sent the video. Listen, please. I know this is a very disturbing situation. He sent the video on the day, because when that situation come up, he said he took his watch, this guy took my watch and jumped. I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Same accusation.
Yes, that's what
same accusation. He accused that guy from stairs.
Yes. He said you took his wristwatch, his Rolex watch.
Okay.
But why is Andrew telling you these things? Tell me why he's telling you, like why he's giving you all this information.
He said, now, let me ask you a question. My darling sister, what's your name? Hold on, guys. Let me ask the lady a question.
Okay. My name is Rachel.
Okay, Rachel. That is Prince. How did you meet? Okay, how did you meet Andrew?
Okay. Let me explain. Like, I've been friends with Andrew since last year. So, like, Andrew lied to me. Does not based in Nigeria. He said he's based in UK. So we are friends. Like, when I'm down, I will like call him for advice. Andrew used to advise me. Like, if Andrew advised you, like, you think he's a very responsible person. So again, he sent me a video. Was like, he wants to come down to Nigeria. That he would like to invite me for his mom's birthday party. He sent me transport. He sent me 50K transport. Gave me the hotel address, which is Pan New. That same Pan New hotel. He took Celine to. So when I went to the hotel, I used both. I went to the hotel. I saw it was like I should accompany to go get a present for his mom, a birthday present for his mom. That was how we drove from that hotel to Market Square. From Market Square, I was driving to another direction. I was like, where are you taking me to? He was like, he wants to go to his family house, so his sister would tell me where to get my makeup done. That was how I followed Andrew to his house. Immediately I got to Andrew's house, I was sitting there trying to update my friend. The next thing I received on my face was punch. I looked back, it was Andrew. I was like, what's up? What did I do to you? He was like, I hate you. You don't know how I hate you. I hate you. This, that. He was like, if you want to go my life, anything I ask you to do, just do it. Andy collected my phones. I was responding to all my Instagram message, my WhatsApp message. That was why I said that chat you posted is fake. That chat you posted is 100% fake, Mr. Ben. Because Andy collected my phones and was chatting people. There's one guy that was
so the chat, that he said he has with you is fake.
Sorry?
The chat that he has with
Celine is fake. I need to see, because for my observation, Andrew and Celine started chatting on Facebook April 7th. And that message, the person and Andrew started chatting since last 2 years. So that I have everything on my phone. I know Andrew. I stayed with him for 6 good days. So I know so many things. There are so many things I can't even spill out for security reasons. There are so many things I cannot spill out for security reasons.
Ebusa for sa pepe and ha na mede ensemenya ebesi e dia mo me be din se be prometi ara energy connect makram.